This video explains how to co-sell with Microsoft, sign up as a marketplace publisher, and create a listing in Microsoft's commercial marketplace.
Hello everyone, and thanks for your interest in co-selling with Microsoft. My name is Justin Holsworth, and I lead field engagement and co-sell for the Cloud Marketplace team in Microsoft's Cloud and AI organization. Whether you are new to co-sell or already have a deep co-sell relationship with Microsoft, I hope you find this session informative and leave with a better understanding of the co-sell opportunity and criteria for eligibility. Let's start with the basics. For those that are new to co-sell is a collaborative selling initiative that enables partners and Microsoft to drive joint revenue and customer success. Co-sell is centered on collaborating to land relevant partner solutions with Microsoft managed customers that meet their business needs. Co-sell begins when a qualified sales opportunity is identified with a Microsoft managed customer. The opportunity can be identified by either Microsoft or the partner and is shared in Partner Sales Connect, or in some cases, Partner Center Refer and Track. If the receiving party finds the opportunity compelling, they will accept the opportunity and collaborate throughout the sales cycle to close the win. The next two slides talk about the requirements to become co-sell or IP co-sell ready. In July of 2018, we announced three important changes to the co-sell ready requirements. The first has to do with the Microsoft Partner Network Gold Cloud competency requirement. We recognized that the Gold Cloud competencies were not relevant for all partners. This year, partners can fulfill the competency requirement by obtaining a Gold Cloud competency, and ISV partners are exempt from this requirement through June of 2019. Updated ISV requirements will be announced in July. Second, partners must have 3 or more verifiable customer wins. It is important to highlight that verifiable does not mean referenceable. These wins do not need to be published, simply verified by the co-sell desk, our service desk that reviews all co-sell inquiries. You can reach out to them at any time by emailing cosell@microsoft.com, COSELL@microsoft.com. Third, onboarding a P-seller is no longer a requirement for a partner to become co-sell ready, but you must identify a sales contact for each geography in which you'd like to co-sell. A single sales contact may cover multiple geographies. The remaining requirements are the same as last year. Partners must complete their solution listing in our internal catalog for sellers, the co-sell solution finder, which was formerly called OCP catalog, and they must complete the co-sell bill of materials. Once a partner fulfills these requirements, the co-sell desk will help them onboard to Partner Center Refer and Track or Partner Sales Connect to enable opportunity sharing. Managed partners on the path to co-sell ready status should work with their partner development manager, and digitally managed partners should work with the cloud enablement desk. Some digital IP-based co-sell ready solutions additionally qualify for IP co-sell ready status and inclusion in the Azure and Dynamics IP co-sell incentives. Microsoft defines IP co-sell ready solutions as a commercially available packaged third-party solution made up of more than 50% repeatable code that runs on Azure or Dynamics via the ISV Embed program. It must meet all the co-sell ready requirements reviewed on the previous slide, as well as be published to Azure Marketplace or AppSource. Finally, it must complete a current fiscal year architecture review and sign-off from a local Microsoft technical resource that is submitted through the co-sell desk or cloud enablement desk. Now, I've mentioned the co-sell desk multiple times in this session, and I want to make sure you know who they are. The co-sell desk is a one-stop shop to answer questions and simplify deals for partners and Microsoft roles worldwide. The co-sell desk can help you with anything related to co-sell, including partner onboarding, the co-sell solution finder, Partner Sales Connect, opportunity sharing, and deal registration, among other topics, and supports 8 languages. Thanks for your time learning more about Microsoft's co-sell program and its eligibility requirements. Happy co-selling!
Hello, my name's Brian Levinson, and I'm a member of the Cloud and AI group here at Microsoft, where I work on release management for Microsoft's Marketplace. In this demo, I'm going to show you how to get started with Microsoft's commercial marketplace, sign up as a publisher, and create an offering. To get started, let's navigate to aka.ms/join marketplace. This URL takes me to the Microsoft Partner Center sign up page, where I'll create an account by first signing in with my work account. First, I need to prove that I'm not a robot by entering in a phone number to which I can receive text messages. And as soon as I've received the verification code, I enter this in to prove that I'm not a robot. Now that I've proven that I'm not a robot, I'll enter in a little bit of information about myself as my account is created. And I enter in the verification code that has been emailed to the address that I entered on the previous screen. I would like to receive information, or rather send information to select partners, so I'm going to go ahead and check the box and click Next. Now I enter in a bit of information about my company, which for the sake of this demo will be Bryan Company, the address, the location, and then I'll click Accept and Continue to accept the Microsoft Partner Network Agreement. I'm now presented with the Marketplace Publisher Agreement, which I also want to accept to become eligible to create offerings within the Microsoft Commercial Marketplace. So I click Accept and Continue. I'm now signed up as a Microsoft partner and as a Marketplace publisher. I need to enter in my email address to keep in touch. Leave the language set to English and click Save. I've now landed on the Commercial Marketplace Overview page. Here I can find my progress as a publisher, my profile information, as well as resources to get started with Azure, Office, and Dynamics. By clicking on the gear in the top right corner, I can come in here and look at my partner settings, developer settings, and preferences. Under developer settings, I find the settings for my account. I can see that my email verification has not yet been completed. So I go to my inbox of my email account where I've received the verification code, and I go ahead and I click the link to sign in and finish verification. I can also navigate to the Programs tab, where I'll find the programs to which I've enrolled, and I can see the Marketplace Developer Agreement that I accepted, who accepted it, and on what date. But now I want to navigate back to the Commercial Marketplace Overview page so that I can create a new Software as a Service offering. From the Commercial Marketplace Overview page, I navigate to the top and click New Offer to create a new offer. I'm going to start with Software as a Service so that I can create a listing to get up and running quickly. I create an offer ID and an offer name, and I go ahead and click Create. This brings me to the Offer Overview page, where I can see at a quick glance the stage of my offer, as well as the outstanding steps in order to publish. I'll first go to Offer Setup, and here I choose the offer type that I want. In this case, I'm going to say no to selling through Microsoft and select Contact Me. This allows me to quickly and easily create a listing within the marketplace, either Azure Marketplace for IT and developer audiences, or AppSource for business and industry. I must connect a CRM system so that there's a destination to send my leads. I have a number of options to choose from, and depending on your organization, you should select the one that best meets your needs. Under properties, I can choose the categories, industries, give a version to my application, and choose the terms and conditions or elect to use the standard contract provided by Microsoft. Offer listing is where I select first the language of my offer. It will default to English. And then I enter in information about the listing as I want it to appear on the marketplace storefront. The name is what I selected when I created the offer. I give it a description, short description, keywords, instructions to get started, where to learn more information, and then I enter in contact information, any relevant documents, as well as logos, screenshots, and videos that will then appear on the storefront along with my listing. When I'm ready to publish, I go ahead and click Publish. For the sake of this demo, I left out a lot of required fields were it to be a transactable offer, and this page shows me what is still incomplete before I can submit it for review. Once all of the mandatory fields are completed and it's submitted for review, there are a number of automated steps that take place. The flow setup, any test drive provisioning, validating the lead management routing, and then it will go to a Microsoft team who go through the certification process, which can take up to 1 to 2 days. You're then provided with a preview so that you can see exactly how your offer will appear on the storefront, and then you can go ahead and click Publish, at which point it takes approximately 1 hour to fully go live. And just like that, you will now have a listing in Azure Marketplace or AppSource, as well as many other publishing offer types, from VM images to software as a service that are transactable, billed monthly or annually, or pay as you go. And once you have a number of offers published, or even just one, navigating back to the overview page will show you all of the offerings that you have available within Microsoft's commercial marketplace, and the Analyze tab gives you insights into sales, deployments, and usage. The Microsoft team is always here to help, and I want to leave you with some resources, such as the sign up page where we started this demo, documentation where you can learn about other offer types and configuration options, a link directly to the support team, and the marketplace community within Microsoft's partner community to engage with Microsoft employees and other partners. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you in the marketplace soon.